Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in a new place. No, not really, but I switched some things around in my room just because we had one of our kids move back home and we had to make room, so I had to give up my basement office. However, I did not completely give it up. Greg and I now share office space. I'll show you that one day when I have a chance. But before we get into anything with this video or talking about anything as to why things have changed, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you give me a big old thumbs up on this video. Also, if you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked in the description. I do have a vlog channel which I haven't updated in so long, but that is linked in the description as well. So let's get into this video. What this video is about are my new faux leather fabric sheets and glitter sheets that I get from Pretty in Pink Supply, and also some of these I got from Amazon. So I'm just doing a haul today because I don't have the energy to do a tutorial or DIY. So okay, without further ado, some of these I purchased a while ago, maybe a couple months ago, but I never showed you guys. However, I'm starting to work on my holiday hair bows, so I just kind of wanted to show you guys since I ordered this stuff. And I love Pretty in Pink Supply. They have great prices and their stuff is quality. So no, I'm not being sponsored. No, I don't get paid for linking the link in the description. If you guys know me, you know when I find something I like, I share it with you. So these are just little sheets. I get these little sheets like this because I don't really use this for like bigger size bows. I kind of use this for the smaller bows, and I've been using these for my mermaid tail bows lately, which are on my website. But yeah, this is the lavender, I'm sorry, and this is the light blue. This is really soft, really quality with this one. This is what the back looks like. So yeah, it's really soft, really sturdy though when you make the bows. If not, if you want them stiffer, you can always use that fabric coat spray, but it has like a little shimmer in there. I think you can see it. These are light. This one's light blue. This is the lavender, and I'm kind of just going off of what was in the packing slip. Sorry, I dropped it just in case I forget what something is called. I have my packing slip. So this one is the copper. This is the, how do they classify, the large textured faux leather, and this one is the off, I think this is what they call the off-white. And then I got, and these do come in bigger sizes. I just got the smaller sizes because I needed them for a specific thing. But when I do need them for the bigger bows or whatever, I'll get the bigger size. Now, they used to be in Texas. No, I'm sorry. This company used to be in California. They just recently moved to Georgia. They've always, even when they were in California, I got my stuff delivered pretty quickly. Even with the pandemic, with them moving to Georgia, I got my order pretty quickly. So I just want to throw that out there. This is the, what color is this? Sorry guys, I'm so unprepared as always. This is the light pink. And then we have the wine. Is this wine? Or, oh no, maroon. And then we have the dusty lilac. That's what that one's called. And this is the hot pink, which is so pretty. And I love this company so much. The communication with them is great. Yeah, they have really nice quality things. You know, I've just said that already. But okay, so like I said, I'm preparing for the holidays. I bought a lot of stuff for more so Christmas and New Year's. And these things, all of this stuff that you see me showing you will be utilized for the bows that I put on my website. So you can always check out my website for that. But this is part of their New Year leather. It's really cute. It has hats and little party favor things on it. I really liked it. The thing I like most about this company is like the way they take their pictures online. When you get the product, it's pretty much the same. It looks the same. Some things I did order during summertime looked differently online, and then when I got it, it was kind of different, but I still liked it anyway. But that's with anything you post online, because when you see it online, it's not actually, you know, giving you a good image of the product. It's just giving you the best image, if that makes sense. But it's part of the other New Year's theme. And I have gingerbreads here. They're so cute. I think I went a little overboard with the stuff that I'm doing for the Christmas bows, but I love Christmas. Christmas is one of my favorite holidays, so I went a little crazy with the Christmas theme. So there's that. This is like little Christmas trees, and I don't know if you can see the little dots and stuff in there. So cute. And then we have snowmen and candy canes with the hats. So within the next couple weeks, I'd say, guys, I'm gonna try to get the holiday bows up at least the first week of November, so you guys have enough time to order them if you want to order. So we have this, and then we have this for people who like darker colors. This one, and now my favorite so far of everything purchased is the chunky glitter. Oh my god, look at that. I love that. It's so pretty. I can't wait to make a bow out of that. So I love anything glitter though, guys. Oh, sorry, stuff is falling off my table. But I love anything that has to do with glitter and sparkly things. But this blue is like so amazing. It's so amazing. And this is part of their chunky line also. And they update their sheets, their fabric sheets, quite often. And they also sell like that Liverpool fabric. They sell templates for hair bows, which I don't need because I kind of make my own and find some online. And then they have like embellishments and stuff like that. They also sell, they do a fabric Friday where they put together like bundles, and you can buy that. And then just recently they started adding little kits that you can just buy pre-measured. I mean, not pre-measured, but they give you everything you need in the little kit to make like headbands and hair bows and stuff like that. So check them out, guys. But this is also really pretty. God, I can't wait to make my holiday bows. So excited. This green. Now, I'm not a big green fan at all, but this green is amazing. And it's actually a little bit darker than what it's showing up on camera. But it's really, really pretty. I love it. I love it so much. It's my baby. I love it. This is another one of the shiny or smooth. This one's called the smooth faux leather fabric, and it has like a little bit of shimmer in it as well. And this color is I just want to get the colors just in case you guys want to order. At least you already know what the color is. So that's why I'm trying to find the color to tell you. This one is this the off-white? No, that's not off-white. It's silver, I think. Light beige. I'm sorry. This one is light beige. Don't know if you can see that. It kind of looks a little silvery until you look up close and put it in the light, and then you can see it's like a light beige. And then I also got a Hanukkah sheet, which I thought was nice. So I want to kind of incorporate just more than just the American Christmas holiday. So yeah. This is also part of their New Year chunky glitter, but I could also use this for Christmas too. Oh, and then the gold. Oh my god, look at that gold! I got 2 sheets of these just because for certain bows I will be using more of the gold glitter, chunky glitter sheets. So there's that. And then I bought some like the waffle cone print faux leather, and it actually is like textured like that. It's not an image. You could actually see the texture in that, which is what I wanted. I ordered some before, but it was just like an image that was kind of like printed on the leather, but I wanted it to have like the texture in it. So I got these two to go with that to make like the ice cream bows. And then I got some more of the large textured leather. That's beige or ivory, what they call it, and this one is pink. Oh, red. Duh. How did I get pink out of that? And then, oh, what color is this one? Let's see. Sorry, guys. Brown. This is brown. This is not the chunky glitter, but it's, is it? No. Oh yeah, this is part of their chunky glitter as well. Okay. That you don't need to see. This is a part of something that I got from there also. And then I got this, and that actually has like a suede type feel to it. It's really nice. And I got donuts, because who doesn't love donuts? Okay, so I want to show you some of the things I got from Amazon, which are going to be a part of the holiday bows as well. So let's do the Amazon haul now. Okay, so I think these ones actually I showed you before, but I'm not sure. And if you're new, then it's new to you. But yeah, I'm just going to show you again anyway, because I totally forgot. So we have this black. It's like a shinier type black leather. This one, compared to the stuff I got from Pretty in Pink, although it still feels a little quality, it just feels a little bit more fake, if that makes sense. It feels a little bit more fake as opposed to the leather that I get from Pretty in Pink. It feels more authentic leather. So that's just for that black one though, because this one actually feels nice. And that has like a little shimmer in it as well. And then we got some of this white. And here's another white. This is more sparkly than glittery, but it's still glitter. It's like a fine glitter. And then black. Now I'll show you the difference with some of these then as opposed to what I get from Pretty in Pink. Now I'm not saying I don't like this, it's just that the quality with some of the sheets that I get from Pretty in Pink are a little bit better than some of the sheets that I get from Amazon. So this is more of like a canvasy backing, if you can see that. Same with this one, you can actually see a little bit better. So yeah, and then the glue or whatever they use on this, to me it smells a little fishy, but yeah, this is really cute. So I'm going to incorporate that somehow with the holiday bows. And then this one I thought was really pretty, and this has more of a canvasy back as opposed to like that soft backing that was on the other ones. And I have or I will link all of this into, well, my Amazon shop. I'll link my Amazon shop for the sheets and stuff that I got from Amazon, and then I'll leave the link for Pretty in Pink down below. If I forget, guys, please leave in the comments to let me know, hey Nika, you didn't link the links. Can you post the links? My Amazon shop I think should always be there because it's part of my description, but yeah. So for this particular stack I'm about to show you, and the first one that I showed you came from this company on Amazon, and they have like a lot of these fabric sheets. I get them in bundles from Amazon. Like with Pretty in Pink, I could order like single sheets, but on Amazon I tend to order more of the bundles because I don't really see good prices for like the single sheets. So yeah, this is the company for what I'm about to show you for these holiday sheets that I got. So we got chunky glitter, and then the red, which is really pretty, really pretty. And then I got the reindeer, and that's so cute. And this one is like really a little bit stiffer. You can kind of hear that. And see, it's a little bit stiffer than what I would like, but we'll make it work. And then I got this, which I probably won't use, but I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. And then this. And then actually, I don't know why I put these two in the pack with my Amazon stuff, but these actually came from Pretty in Pink too. You see it has that softer backing, but yeah, I got two of these, so that will go with my holiday stuff. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. My hair is awful, which is why I keep messing with it. I actually look darker on here today, yay, because I look so pale most of the time. But thank you again, guys, for supporting me. This has been a rough road for me since May with you know, the cancer and the chemo and everything. And I'm actually last week I was pretty sick. I was not feeling well at all. I could barely move without pain, and I just was so weak. Today I'm feeling okay, but I'm starting to have issues. My pre-existing issues that I had before cancer and chemo is coming into play because the weather is changing here in Michigan. It's starting to get cold, so now I'm dealing with my lung issues, which causes me pain. So I'm actually in a lot of pain today, which you can't really tell, and I'm kind of losing my voice a little bit. But yeah, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. I know they're not up to my standard videos, my quality, but I'm trying my best. I'm doing what I can when I can, and that's all I can hope for, and hopefully you guys understand that and stick with me. But like I said, all of these sheets will be utilized to make the hair bows that I post on my website, which is here. Go check it out. I have a lot of bows there. I will be working today actually on getting started with my holiday tutus, so look forward to that in the next couple of weeks. So I'm trying to get everything out around the same time. Some things may be posted before other things, but I will be sure to let you know that. I post on my business Instagram all of the updates and things that I have on my site, and you can actually shop now from my business Instagram page. So that's right here, and I'll also link it down in the description. If you have any questions about Amazon, where I get my sheets from on Amazon, and where, you know, any questions about Pretty in Pink supply, just let me know. I'll try to answer as best I can. But I've been ordering from them since the beginning of this year, or late last year is when I found them. Actually, I found them because they came across as an ad on Instagram, and I ordered a few sheets initially and I really like them, so I ordered more, and the more that I order from them, the happier I am. So that's one of my top suppliers that I order from besides Amazon when I get my faux leather sheets. So make sure you check them out, guys. But again, thank you so much for watching. This video is already 20 minutes for no reason. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.